In algebraic problems like this, where you are given with x plus 1 by x is equal to a given number like 5 here, and then what is the value of x square plus 1 by x square? So to find the value, we simply square both the sides. Now it looks like a plus b whole square, and we can use the formula a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So here we will start with a square. So what is the a? A is x. So x square plus what is b? 1 by x. Plus from the formula it is 2ab. So it will become 2 multiplied by a, which is x, and b, which is 1 by x, is equal to 5 square. Now we can write x square plus square of 1 is 1, so it will be 1 divided by square of x is x square plus, now here you can see this x can be cancelled by the denominator x, and all we are left with 2, so is equal to 5 square. Now as we had to find the value of x square plus 1 by x square, which is this part, that will be equal to, on the right hand side we have 5 square, and this plus 2 will go on the right hand side and it becomes minus 2, and that's it. So whenever we are given with x plus 1 by x and there is a value given and you have to find x square plus 1 by x square like here, then the formula is whatever value is given, you square it and you subtract it by 2. That's it. Now here it becomes 5 square is 25 minus 2 is equal to 23. Now take another example. If it is given x plus 1 by x is equal to 3, then what is x square plus 1 by x square? We can use the trick. We will square this part, so 3 square, and then we'll subtract it by 2 for the value of x square plus 1 by x square. So square of 3 is 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. That's it. Thank you.